comes to Excel, like I said, it's a spreadsheet program made up of rows and columns. So when I talk of rows or columns, I mean these letters going up to down, A, B, C, D. So these ones are columns, they flow downwards, okay, while they move across up to different letters, okay. Then the rows are these ones where I see the numbers 1, 2, 3, go up to 1,000,000 here. Alright, so how do they go about this program? There are some things you have to know. For example, whenever you see this home, insert, these are what we call tabs, okay. So each tab has its own ribbon. A ribbon is this under each tab, okay, the functions under each tab. Like for example, the home tab has a clipboard which contains paste, copy, cut, and then a format painter, okay. Then we have the font section under the home section where we can do the formatting of fonts, like change the size, etc. Then we have insert tab where you can insert different things like shapes, okay, charts, etc. Then the page layout, whereby are you going for a landscape or portrait, or do you want to insert a background, etc. The formula tab, we shall look at this as we go on. So let me first go back to the home tab. Now we're going to make a very simple budget in Excel, a simple calculation. So first of all, we have to make a header. I'll call it monthly expenses. So when you look at these letters, you need to find where you can find that middle part or that balance, okay. So for me, since this is the header, I would like to start from E. I don't care if it's E2, okay, or E1. What do I mean by E1? E, which is the column, then the row 1. That's how they read them in Excel, okay. So I'll start from E1 to K, okay. I want all this part selected, so I'll select it. Then I'll come to this section where you see alignment under home tab. There's this icon that says merge and center, so I'll click on this, and what it means is it will merge all the cells into one cell, whereby I'll type monthly expenses. Alright, monthly expenses, as simple as that. So immediately I click outside of that single cell, it has to be centered, okay. So let's try to format this text format. I prefer using a font called Franklin Gothic. Oh, this is Frank Magna, by the way. So Franklin Gothic, yeah, Franklin Gothic heavy. I like this font. So increase on its size. So just click on this A, like that. So we have monthly expenses. All right. So we have our setting, our heading set. Then next part, we need to add in the items that we shall be using.